Hello guys, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency analysis. And today we would be looking at YEARN.finance, right? YEARN.finance currently ranked at 139, and we would be giving you all the latest analysis and price predictions for YEARN.finance. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Without further ado, let us move to the chart right here. And the chart here's the chart for YEARN.finance. And as you can see from our last video, we were expecting prices to get right here to the 7,381, and we have seen prices pushed here exactly to the T, and currently we are seeing this consolidation. So what are we expecting next? We were seeing right down here from this level of the 20th of June that we were very bullish on YFI, especially that we are seeing bottoming structures, and we are seeing the EMA flip bullish, because we are said anywhere the EMA flip bullish, it means bullish price action is present. And if the 200 EMA, this tick line here, flips bullish, it means the trend is up. And since then, as you can see, we have been in an uptrend right here for YFI. So what we should be expecting next is some little kind of consolidation around this range, and some huge push to the upside, because we are above the 200 EMA and we are above these EMAs right here for YFI. So also, if we look at the volume profile, the volume profile is saying that we are seeing some sort of selling price action coming in here. As you can see, we are having orders of about 73 YFI being 73 orders for YFI being sold currently, as against the 5 which are being bought. So currently we are seeing more sell pressure than buy pressure, but generally we are still bullish on YFI, as we are still above all these EMAs, and the bulls are holding this 6,700 level very closely. So we should still be expecting buying pressure in the next few days, and for the bears to get exhausted so that the bulls can come in and push into higher prices. So that is what we should be expecting next for YFI. If you like the channel, please do not forget to like, click, subscribe. Thank you for watching, and have a blessed day.